watching this video for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking. It means the world to me. Before you go, if you could subscribe to this channel. Before we go any further, I just want to apologize for the background noise. I am so sorry. My neighbor has his generator has been on since morning, so please just ignore that. I just had like a few times of not going to work, so I was like, okay, let me do a video, and I'm not going to let the noise of the generator stop me, so please just ignore it completely. Again, thank you so much. For my old subscribers, you guys are the very best. Thank you for sticking with me, thank you for loving me, thank you for showing support. We at 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you so much for everyone who supported me by subscribing. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you. So today we'll be talking about how to remove your tribal mark. Now, as you can see from the title, how can you remove your scar? So it might not be tribal mark, it might be a scar. So how can you remove it? So today I'll be giving you a detailed review on several methods that you can use to remove your scar. So let's continue watching. So in case I'm looking down, I have my book. That I jotted down. So I just have to. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Now, tribal marks are one type of hypertrophic scar, which are deep. You know, there are hypertrophic marks are hypertrophic scar. They are very deep-rooted scar. They are this kind of scar that you've had for so long and have stayed with you for so long. So it's kind of hard for you to get rid of that scar, which it's not impossible to get rid of. It's really hard. So by the time you get the grips of, okay, this can be hard, you understand that, okay, it's a journey that has to do with patience. So getting rid of your tribal mark has a lot to do with patience. I've seen a lot of people talk to me, chat with me, and they say, oh, I want to get rid, can I get rid of it this week, or can I get rid of it in a month or 1 year or something? This is something that takes months, all right? Months of consistency. It's not something you can do once and stop doing again. So I'm going to list methods that you can use to get rid of your tribal mark. Now, number one is surgery. Now, surgery is one of the effective and very, very expensive kind of scar removal. They are effective, means that you see a sign, instant sign that, okay, if you want this, you know, quick snappy thing, I would suggest you use surgery. And but the bad part of surgery is that it doesn't clear the scar or remove the scar entirely. Okay, if you have scars like this, you know it's a deep-rooted hypertrophic scar. So what surgery is going to do is that they will cut it and restitch the scar. So you see that deepness, it's no longer there. So they kind of sew the scar together. You understand? They sew the scar together. The intensity of the scar, the deepness of the scar no longer shows, but you still have a scar there. It shows because the thing doesn't leave instantly. So you get yeah. Number two is V-beam laser for scar. Let's just say scar revision. Okay, number two is a V-beam laser for scar revision. Now, scar revision requires in-depth laser experience that helps to remove the visibility of scar tissue. They use an high-depth approach that include V-beam laser for active scars like tribal marks, keloid, and pigmented scar. So what this means is that it's a laser, form of a laser revision, a scar revision that goes an in-depth. So it's form of a laser kind of a big laser kind of removal. Now this is effective too. This is very, very effective. This this is not also an instant thing. It depends on several sections you've used. If you use like you go in for one section, you go for another section, you go for third or fourth section, then you begin to see results. It's not like a surgery where they just stitch the thing together. Before you know, you notice a very drastic change. This laser beam, they help to gradually fade off the scar. You understand? The same thing as Picosecond. Now that takes me to the third option. The third option is Picosecond laser pen. Now, Picosecond laser pen, I have said this thousands of times. This is something I have used that worked for me. If you want to try it, I would suggest you should try it. It is really effective. Go and try it, and give me a feedback, okay? If you need any feedback on how to use this, my videos, my detailed videos are there for you to put you through. Again, please ignore the noise. I don't have control over it. It's my neighbor, so please ignore the noise. So yeah, Picosecond laser pen is my third option. I would recommend that to get rid of your tribal mark. Now, Picosecond laser is also not an instant action. It is a consistent action. It is a consistent before you see a result. It's not an instant, oh my god, I'm going to see it in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month. If you set a timer for it, you might end up hurting yourself. Just let the thing do its thing. If you're doing it consistently, you're going to see results. Or if you just want an instant action, well, I can't guarantee you that. Now, my last option will be scar fading products. Now, I know you'll be like, yes, it works. It works. You can check out our business page, which is Rida Organic Skincare on Instagram, or you can check on Momentwithryda on Facebook and check out it. You should see results of people sending me DMs of how it's working. Now again, this is not an instant action. Again, it is not. If you want an instant, something you could get results in weeks or months, trust me, you're not going to get that. But I don't want to, I am not this kind of seller that will come up and tell you, oh, you can get results in 1 week. No, I will guarantee you will get results if you use it consistently. There are people who are very patient with their journey and they see results. You need to be patient with this thing. Scar you've had for 27, 28, 29 years doesn't get, you can't get rid of it in 1 month. It's not happening, except you want to use, again, surgery. If you want to go into surgery, here they would tear you and restitch it again. You get, that's what surgery is all about. So if you don't want to go for surgery, if you want to go for other options, they are available for you, but you need to be very patient. Be patient and you're going to see results. So yeah, our scar fading product is very, very effective. They are infused with organic, natural, original oils that will help fade up the scar with time. You're going to begin to see results. Now, what in our organic scar fading products we have, so they're infused with oils that are going to help fade up the scar gradually. Now, I don't want to go up and, like I said before, I don't want to tell you, oh, this is the time you're going to see result, but you're going to see result if used consistently. So yes, our scar fading product contains 4 amazing products in there. We have our scar healing oil, we have scar fading cream, we have scar fading oil, and we have our scar lightening oil. All these oils are infused with natural oils to help fade off the scar gradually. It can be keloid scar, they deal with keloid scar, hypertrophic scar like tribal mark, acne, and so other things. So yeah, we have come to the end of this video. If you watched to the end, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for your support. I am so grateful for sharing, liking this video, and subscribing. You guys are the very best. Thank you for the constant support. I am grateful. Don't forget, before you go, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please subscribe. Just subscribe. It's actually very, very free. Actually free. Just subscribe, okay? It would mean the world to me. So yeah, thank you so much for everything. I'm grateful. Have a great day. Stay safe and be beautiful. Bye.